Hello everyone, welcome to Level of Financials, and this is our trade for the day. Even if yesterday we were bearish in the markets, आज bulls ने काफ़ी अच्छा charge लिया है and all the bears previously have been trapped. But if you can see, it's 11 o'clock and yet we have not taken any trade. I'll tell you why. Because even if सुबह bulls ने थोड़ा charge लिया, the overall structure of the market was bearish. So we allowed the bulls to make sure that they are in the market and they're not just trapping it for a further bearish move. So we waited on the market, and now that the bulls have established themselves and all the sellers are trapped, we've taken a bullish trade on the basis of a trendline breakout. And हमारे जो भी levels थे कल के सारे breakout हो गए upside. So yeah, we are seeing a few profits right now, but we are aiming for at least 200 points in SENSEX. So I'll keep you posted with what happens. We're done with our targets, guys. थोड़ा time लगा ये trade में, about half an hour, but nonetheless the targets are here. We've booked more than 100 points on premium and more than 200 points on spot. And this is how patience pays off in the market. सुबह we are usually early morning traders, but सुबह भी एक दो trades बने थे bullish, but we weren't sure that if it is just a bear trap or not. And that's why I waited, and both of those trades got trapped. And the trade we took, it was much after bulls had established themselves in the day and the sellers were trapped. So this is the result for you guys. This is how we plan our trades. This is how we plan our analysis. And if you want to learn this, please watch all our analysis videos and our previous trade videos as well. Trust me, they'll help you a lot in your trading journey. So do let us know what you think about these trades, and like, comment, share and subscribe to Level of Financials. Thank you.